John. We have a fighter set to open, and we got some blind bags. And it's 71013. And the same thing for this bag. You have to be 5 or up, and 5 or up. They're Legos, and this is our firefighter thing we got today at Toys R Us, and you can see I have new shoes, and I have a little cough, so I don't mind if I do cough. So, but now it's time to show the back of the box. So it's a guy. He's going up the ladder to water shoot the fire, and then there's this girl and putting out the fire. Then he's putting out another fire. Then they're driving, and it shows just how to open the package is. And I'm ready, and I want to open the blind bag first because these are our two first blind bags we're gonna open today. And we're just finishing, just putting the tire on. That's it. So, if you have one question, you have to answer it right now about a fire truck. I don't know all questions, but I know so much. I don't know what age fire trucks are. I do. So ask me questions. And then go on the other side. So any questions, ask me now, because I'm not going to answer any. I'm not going to answer any when I go. So bye. Keep on watching this video and keep on watching fire truck videos, because I had a fun time with you today, and we are gonna open more stuff. So I think it's time to say bye. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Because we opened a lot of stuff today. We had helpers to open to help us. And now, wait, I'm gonna do something first before you leave. Let me show you something that I want to show you. I want to show you something. Let me show you this. Bye. See you next time. Bye. Yes, I'm done. Bye. See you next time. I had little helpers, friends, to see you to help. And